One of the main factors affecting the cost is the size of your house. Naturally, a larger house will require more insulation materials and thus will be more expensive. The type of insulation you choose also plays a significant role in the cost. There are different types of insulation available on the market, such as bulk insulation and reflective insulation. Bulk insulation primarily resists the transfer of conducted and convected heat, while reflective insulation mainly resists radiant heat flow. The choice between these two will impact the overall cost. In Brisbane, the average cost of insulation can range anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000. This wide range is due to the varying factors we've mentioned, like the size of your house and the type of insulation you choose. While the upfront cost might seem high, it's important to remember the long-term benefits. A well-insulated house can significantly reduce your energy bills, making it a worthwhile investment in the long run.